How to replace your hard drive. If your computer seems a bit sluggish, this guide will help breathe new life into your old machine. You will need a micro screwdriver and a new hard drive. Optional, an anti-static wrist strap and rubber-soled shoes. Step 1. Back up the old hard drive and save the files you want to transfer to the new one. Step 2. Turn off the computer and unplug the external cables, including the power cable. Step 3. Remove the housing and unplug the ribbon cable, also known as the multi-wire planar cable, and the power cable from the old hard drive. Static electricity can destroy a new hard drive. Make sure you ground yourself with an anti-static wrist strap or rubber-soled shoes. Step 4. Use a micro screwdriver to remove the screws holding the hard drive in place, and then gently slip it out. Step 5. Secure the new hard drive in place with the original screws and then reattach the ribbon and power cables. Step 6. Put the housing back on, reattach the external cables, and then restart the computer. Step 7. Reinstall or upgrade your operating system and then copy your backed up programs and files to the new drive. Did you know? Today's personal computers have about 1,000 times the speed and 500,000 times the memory of the Apollo 11 computer systems.